नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कोविड-19च्या या सद्यस्थितीत आपल्या शाळा बंद असल्या तरी आपले शिक्षण चालूच आहे आणि त्याच अनुषंगाने बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून व्हिडिओ थ्रू आपण आज भेटणार आहोत। मी निलिमा कदम, आपली व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका। आजचा विषय आपण बघणार आहोत
इयत्ता 6वी गणित मॅथ्स कोन दुभाजक अँड अँगल बायसेक्टर। विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कंपास पेटीमध्ये तुम्ही ही साधनं बघितलेलीच असतील आणि या साधनांचा आपण कोन काढण्यासाठी उपयोग केलेला आहे। थोडक्यात आपण आज कोन दुभाजक काढणार आहोत, त्या अगोदर या साधनांची थोडक्यात ओळख करून घेऊ। गेट टू नो युअर कंपास बॉक्स। डिअर फ्रेंड्स, in previous lesson we have learned about angles, types of angles, that is zero angle, right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, etc., and how to draw this angle, that also we have learned. So just before going to angle bisector, let's get familiar with our compass box. Now this is a ruler or scale. This is compass. Now with the help of protractor, how to draw an angle, that we have learned, but with the help of this compass, so this is a compass, and with the help of this compass today we are drawing an angle. Yes, with the help of this ruler and this compass we are constructing an angle. How to construct an angle with the help of this compass and ruler we are learning today. Now dear friends, this is compass. This is a compass needle. It is made up of metal. हे कंपासचं काय आहे? टोक आहे. And here it is a one hole is there, and we can place a pencil in that, and with the help of this compass needle and with this pencil we can draw a circle, an arc, etc. So this is compass. Next, this is a protractor. There are 0 to 180, and from this end 0 to 180. शून्यापासून 180 पर्यंतच्या या खुणा असतात, and with the help of these degrees we can construct an angle of our whatever we want, that is how much degree of angle we want, we can construct an angle with the help of this protractor. तर कोन मोजण्यासाठी किंवा ठराविक अंशाचा कोन काढण्यासाठी कोनमापक म्हणजेच प्रोट्रॅक्टर वापरतात. To draw an angle of a specific degree or to measure the measurement of an angle, we use protractor. Now draw an angle bisector using a compass. आता कंपासच्या सहाय्याने आपण कोन दुभाजक काढणार आहोत. Draw an angle BOA of any measure. कोन BOA हा एक आपण कोणत्याही मापाचा कोन काढणार आहोत. ओके, एक कोणताही आपण कोन काढला. Step 1, we have to draw an angle. Now step 2, place the compass point at vertex O. Okay, at vertex O. O हा या कोनाचा काय आहे? Vertex. O is the vertex of angle BOA. शिरोबिंदू आहे. So place the metal tip at point O, that is vertex O, and taking a convenient distance. See here, convenient distance घेतलेला आहे. Taking a convenient distance, draw an arc to cut the rays OB and OA. OB and OA. काय केलं आपण? सोयीस्कर अंतर घेऊन O बिंदूवर कंपासचं टोक ठेवलं आणि OA, OB याला छेदणारे आपण आर्क काढले, कंस काढले. Now give them OB at P and Q respectively. त्याला P आणि Q ही आपण नावं दिली. Next, now place the point of the compass at P and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside the angle. Next step ला काय करायचे बघा आपल्याला. Now place the point of this compass at point P. We got one point on this ray, that is on OA. We got OB, on ray OB we got one intersecting point, right? This ray OB and this is an arc, so this is the point of intersecting. So this intersecting point, place your point of compass on that point, that is P, and taking convenient distance, draw an arc inside this angle. This is the inside of this angle, okay? And using the same distance, now don't move the compass. Using same distance, draw another arc inside the angle from point Q, intersecting the previous arc. Now this way we will get, that is these two arcs will intersect each other. Now this is the point of intersection, right? Now name the point of intersection as point R. See, this is the point R. Now draw ray OR. Now this OR is the bisector of angle BOA. Okay, now measure this angle BOR, means this measure, and this angle ROA. Measure these two angles and find out whether they are equal or not. Okay, so in this way we can draw an angle bisector and divide an angle into two equal parts. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण कोनाचा कोन दुभाजक काढू शकतो. प्रत्यक्ष आपण कृती कशी करायची ते मी तुम्हाला पुढे दाखवते.
An angle bisector. आज आपण कोन दुभाजक कसा काढायचा ते बघणार आहोत. टू ड्रॉ an angle bisector. To draw an angle bisector using a compass. Just now we have seen the different compass, scale, protractor, what is protractor and why it is used. The use of all these equipments and how they are used. Just now we have seen. Now using this compass, we will draw an angle bisector. Now to draw an angle bisector, first of all, we will draw an angle. So this angle is made up of two rays joining at the same point. So this is OA and this is ray OB. So this is an angle BOA. Okay. Now we want to divide this angle. So using this compass, we will draw angle bisector. Now put this metal pointer on the vertex of the angle, that is on point O, and draw, taking convenient distance, draw an arc like this. Now name this point P and Q. Okay. Now place the point of the metal point on Q and taking convenient distance, draw an arc. Now don't change the distance, take same distance and putting this metal point on point P, draw another arc intersecting the first arc. Now the point of intersection, this is the point of intersection. Now join this vertex of O and this intersecting point and draw this ray. Name this as R. Okay, so OR is the bisector of angle BOA. Now with the help of protractor, measure angle. Now here we are getting two angles, that is angle BOR and second angle, angle ROA, right? Now we will measure this angle and find out whether they are same or not. See here. So with the help of protractor, so angle BOR how much it is? 23. And angle AOR or ROA, so this is also 23 degree. So both the angles are same measure, 23 degree, 23 degree. So these angles are of equal measures. So OR is the angle bisector. So using compass in this way we can draw angle bisector. One more example we will solve. Another example. An angle bisector using compass. Now this time we will draw angle. Now this is AB and we will draw angle of 80 degree. Okay. A and this is B. I will draw an angle 80 degree. Okay. This is angle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to how much it is? 80 degree. Okay. Now I am draw angle bisector of this angle. Now putting this metal point on the vertex that is at point A, taking convenient distance in the compass, draw an arc like this. Okay. Now this arc should intersect ray AO and ray AB. Now give this name as P and this as Q. Okay. Now again take convenient distance in the compass, taking convenient distance in the compass, and the metal point on P, draw an arc like this. Now with the same distance in the compass, put this compass on point Q and draw an arc intersecting the first arc. Okay. See here. Now the intersecting point, this is the intersecting point. Join this vertex of angle A and this. Give its name as T. Okay. So we will get two angles, angle OAT and second angle, angle TAB. Okay. Now measure this angle with the help of protractor. See how much it is. 40 degree. TAB is 40 degree. And angle OAT. See, this 0 should be on ray AT and it is 40 degree. So angle OAT is also 40 degree. So what we can observe from this, now the angle OAB is 80 degree. किती अंश? 80 अंशाचा कोन काढला आपण आणि आपण त्याचा कोन दुभाजक काढला. दोन कोन आपल्याला मिळाले. We got two angles and these two angles are of equal measures. So when we draw an angle bisector of an angle, we will get two angles and they are of equal measures. Okay. So dear friends, try to draw an angle and then draw its angle bisector and using a protractor find out whether they are of equal measure or not. Okay.
Next, to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle using a compass and ruler. आपल्याला आता काय करायचं आहे तर दिलेल्या कोनाच्या मापा एवढे माप असणारा कोन कंपास आणि पट्टीच्या सहाय्याने आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. बघा आपण प्रोट्रॅक्टरच्या सहाय्याने कोन मापकाच्या सहाय्याने आपण सेम मेजरचा त्याच मापाचा कोन काढू शकतो, परंतु कंपास आणि पट्टीच्या सहाय्याने कसा काढायचा तो आपण बघूया. ड्रॉ अन अँगल BOA इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री. ओके. Draw an angle of 50 degree. Now next, to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle using a compass and ruler. दिलेल्या कोनाच्या मापा एवढे माप असणारा कोन कंपास व पट्टीच्या सहाय्याने काढणे. यासाठी आपण पहिले एक कोन काढून घेणार आहोत. आता त्याच मापाचा कोन काढायचा आहे. Now next, draw ray QR. Place the compass point at vertex O of angle BOA, that is first angle, and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc to cut the rays of that angle BOA, that is ray OB and rays OA, at points S and T respectively. Next, using the same distance again, place the compass point at point Q of ray QR and draw an arc. Now, when you draw an arc on ray QR, this arc will cut the ray QR and give it name as point D. Okay. Next. Now, place the point of the compass at point T in the first angle and open the compass to a distance equal to ST in the first angle. Okay, original angle. Now, the equal distance, there is some distance in the compass that is equal to ST. Now, place the compass point on point D. Okay, in second figure, that is on ray QR, point D is there. So, put your compass on point D. Using the same distance equal to ST, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at C. Okay, one arc is there, that arc will be cut by this distance ST and give that point as name C. Now draw the ray QC, because at point C you will get that intersecting point. Draw the ray QC, that is join Q and C. Take any point P on ray QC. So using a protractor, verify that angle PQR so formed is of the same measure as angle BOA. So in this way, we can draw an angle equal to measure to a given angle. दिलेल्या कोनाच्या मापा एवढे माप असणारा कोन आपण कंपास आणि पट्टीच्या सहाय्याने कसा काढायचा त्याची या कृती आहे. ओके, आता आपण हा कसा काढायचा एक्झॅक्टली ते बघणार आहोत.
Now to construct an angle in a measure to a given angle using a compass and ruler. दिलेल्या कोनाच्या मापा एवढे माप असणारा कोन कंपास आणि पट्टीच्या सहाय्याने काढणे. So, dear students, how to draw an angle with protractor we have seen. Now we have to draw an angle of equal measure using compass. This is compass and ruler. Okay. Now first of all, draw an angle BOA of 50 degree. Okay. Now I first draw a ray. Name it is as OA. Okay. Now with the help of protractor, I am drawing first angle. So this point on O of 50 degrees. So starting from this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. Now join this O and this point. So this is angle, I will give here name as B, angle BOA of 50 degree. Okay. Now I have to draw an angle measure to a given angle, that is of 50 degree. But this time we have to draw it with the help of compass and this is ruler. Okay. So let's see how to draw angle of same measure, that is of 50 degree, with the help of this compass and ruler. Again, what you have to do first, now here one ray I am drawing QR. Okay, draw a ray QR. Now place the compass, this metal point, on the vertex of the angle, that is of angle BOA, and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc. Okay, this arc I have drawn. Where? On this angle, that is angle BOA. Now place the point of the compass at point Q, okay, of ray QR, and with the same distance, don't change it, draw an arc. Now place the point of the compass. Now here I will give this name as S and T. Okay, this is T and this is point S. Now place the compass at point T and pencil, that is distance S, at point T and S. Okay. Now again place this point. Now this intersecting point is, here I am taking it as D. So of distance ST, I am putting this compass at point D and try to intersect this arc. Okay. Now the point of intersection and this Q, join it with the help of ruler. Okay, so this is the angle. I will name it as P. So PQR is the angle which is same of angle BOA. Let's verify it whether it is same or not. Now with the point Q, see here, it is of 50 degree, right? Means with the help of compass and ruler, we can draw an angle in measure to a given angle. Okay?
हे व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी तुम्ही तुमच्या मोबाईल, लॅपटॉप किंवा डेस्कटॉपवर जाऊन YouTube चॅनेलवर जायचं आहे. YouTube वर जाऊन BMC VTC मराठी टाइप करा. तुमची इयत्ता व विषय प्लेलिस्ट मधून तुम्ही निवडू शकता. तुम्हाला हवा असलेला घटक निवडून तो व्हिडिओ तुम्ही पूर्णपणे पहा. प्रत्येक व्हिडिओ खाली एक लिंक दिलेली आहे. ती लिंक तुम्ही जरूर भरा. त्याचबरोबर जो तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पाहणार आहात त्या व्हिडिओ संबंधी काही प्रश्न तुम्हाला खाली डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स मध्ये मिळतील. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स मध्ये त्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुम्ही तुमच्या वहीत लिहिणार आहात. चला तर मग BMC VTC मराठी या चॅनेलला लॉग इन करा, सबस्क्राइब करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन आलेल्या व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळविण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनलाही क्लिक करा.
तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण इथेच थांबणार आहोत. अशाच काही सुंदर सुंदर व्हिडिओ सहित पुन्हा भेटणार आहोत पुढच्या भागात. तोपर्यंत थँक यू. घरी राहा, सुरक्षित राहा.